Chapter 57, Linear Inequalities in Two Variables. The standard legal speed limit in my state is 65 miles per hour. That is, rate is distance over time, miles per hour. Therefore, distance is rate times time. Suppose r is kept constant at 65 miles per hour. Then the relationship between d and t is said to illustrate direct variation. D is also said to be directly proportional to t. So d is directly proportional to t, and in general t is a constant times d, or d is a constant times t, where k is the constant of proportionality. In t, which is 1 hour, the distance is 65 miles. If t is 2, the distance is 2 times 65. If t is 3, the distance is 3 times 65. If t is multiplied by a number, then d is multiplied by the same number. That is direct variation. So 65 is 65 over 1, 2 times 65 over 2, and so on. Distance 1 is 2 times 1, as distance 2 is 2 times 2. Now, inverse proportionality, inverse variation. Let's come back to the standard legal speed in my state, which is 65 miles per hour. The rate is distance over time. Suppose distance is kept constant at 130 miles, then the relationship between the rate and the time is said to illustrate indirect variation. R is also said to be inversely proportional to t. R is inversely proportional to t, and in general R is k over t, where k is again the constant of proportionality. If R is 52.5 miles per hour, it takes t 4 hours to travel 130 miles. If R is doubled, then t is cut in half. If r is multiplied by 4, t is divided by 4. If r is multiplied by a number, then t is divided by the same number. Note that 130 is 32.5 times 4, 65 times 2, 130 times 1. Rate 1 times time 1 equals rate 2 times time 2.